and this is the 9-foot shuffleboard. You could get it smaller if you like, but I got the 9-foot one. It comes with the little accessories here, so you could play bowling as well. Once I set it up, I'll show you all these other little things just to clean it. These are the little weights that you slide for the shuffleboard. Here you go. And yeah, right now it's upside down. These are the legs, so I'm gonna put it together and show you how it looks. It comes with lights on the bottom. You have to plug them in. So we're gonna see how that looks also once it's all connected. And this is the other box that it comes to. There's a little rack for the bowling. So let's set this up. It looks nice, and I haven't even opened it completely, so let's get to it. I built these two, which is part of one leg. This is the part that goes on top right here, but I just wanted to show you guys so you don't make the same mistakes that I did. So this piece on the top, you see how it looks like that? So this goes on the inside, on the bottom. And the same thing with these. If you look on the inside, has that same piece right there, and that back piece also. So those pieces go on the inside. On all the pieces that you connect, which looks like this goes on the inside, because when you put the bolt in on this side, it anchors it in, so it holds it in place. So here are these two pieces. And another thing, these two side pieces, this one and this one, you need to have that slit, which is right here on the inside, so you can slide this piece in. All right. So I thought this was a pretty cool feature. I didn't know what this was until I opened it. And when you open it, it's a little cup holder. So you could put your drink here at the edge of the shuffleboard. If you could see, it has four holes here, and you screw it in. And when you're done with it, you just fold it back. So that's pretty nice. So it has one on each side. It has two in total. And this is to keep score. It goes on the side. You have two holes here, and you have two holes on the other side right there. So you just pull this off, and it ends up looking like this. These come off. You screw them in right there to the little hole. Make sure these are inside. Right here, the side, like this one. So when you put them in, they're already tight in place. And yeah, you could keep score while you're playing. So this shuffleboard is really nice. I have it in my garage over here. So I added it to my collection. Now I got a pool table, shuffleboard, and a dartboard in my garage. So this is a great addition. It's gonna be a lot of fun. You have cup holders to put your drinks here. The lights on the bottom, which turn on and off with this switch right here. Nice and sturdy. Looks really nice. The board already comes glossed, so you could slide them. And the little score-keeping board right here on the side. You could play miniature bowling here also. So really good. The sides look really nice. Vevor, you all did yourself.